everyone, this is the LOL camper, and today I'm going to tell what room is it. This is the bedroom, and there are 3 people inside the bedrooms. And in the bathroom, there's no one here, and a doggy bed right there. And this is the kitchen, which has 4 plates. And this is the refrigerator, where are corns and chicken pops, and a little bit of croissants. And this is the pool, where Anya's sitting. That's the makeup room. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things inside. And these are the little hangers that are hanging in the other side.